everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to unlock new traits on Sims Mobile. In the Sims Mobile, unlocking new traits for your Sims allows you to customize their personalities and unlock new interactions. So here's how you can easily do it. First of all, make sure that you've launched Open Your Sims application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the game, the easiest way to unlock new traits for your Sims is by completing actions to earn experience points. To unlock new traits for your Sims, you'll need to level up your Sim. As your Sim gains experience points throughout the game, you will be able to level up your Sim. Make sure that you keep playing with your Sims and complete actions to create and earn experience points. And also make sure to complete your story chapters. Processing through story chapters on Sims can unlock new traits as rewards. Make sure you participate in events and quests, since the Sims Mobile regularly keeps updating offers about special events and quests that provides opportunities to earn rewards, including new traits. Keep an eye out for events and quests in the game and participate in order to unlock new traits for your Sim. Occasionally, attending parties hosted by other players can also reward your Sim with new traits as event rewards. Keep an eye out for party invitations by going to the arrow at the right-hand corner and selecting parties from the option. Make sure if there is any ongoing parties, or you can also tap on the Find Parties option in order to find out parties you can attend to. Attending to those social events may also earn you rewards for your Sim, which may be able to unlock new traits. So those were some of the ways you can unlock new traits for your Sims Mobile. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.